Hello everyone, I am Chef Munir El Hilali, and today I want to show you how to roast portabella mushrooms, turn them into a delicious appetizer that can be served hot or cold. Let me show you how. We need 2 portabella mushroom caps sliced about 1/2 inch thick, 1 lemon, 6 garlic cloves, 1 bunch fresh basil, salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Place the portobello mushroom slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Smash and chop the garlic. Place it in a small bowl and add 3/4 cup of cooking oil and stir it very well. Then spoon the garlic and oil mix onto the portobello mushroom pieces. Sprinkle with salt and fresh ground black pepper and broil it on high until lightly browned and cooked through. Meanwhile, chop the basil and add it to a bowl. Juice the lemon on the basil. Add about 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil and mix it very well. Place the roasted portobello mushrooms on a plate. Drizzle with the basil lemon oil. And there it is. Roasted portobello mushrooms with lemon basil drizzle. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe because there is more coming.